So here are the directions for all of your resource vocabulary words. They will look the same, and you will see on the top here we have the word. So the word that we'll be focusing on for this session is acquire. So I'm going to read you the 3 directions. First, complete each slide at your own pace. Now you can feel free to ask me questions during the Zoom sessions or on email or in comments on Google Classroom, but you'll be working on these on your own. To type, you're going to click on the text box with the blue colored font, and I'll show you how to do that. Finally, there are 3 things you can drag and drop: red check marks, yellow highlights, and red circles. So let's practice. On slide 2, it says name, type here. So you see when I click on that, it now lets me edit it. So I'm going to get rid of type here, since type here is not my name, and I will write Miss Stief. Okay. Next, it says word of the week, acquire. How well do you know this word? Since I know the word well, I want to click on the red check mark. You can see here, this box that I have is where the check mark is going to land. So I'm going to put the check marks over I'm an expert. Now let's do the model sentence together. It says, I acquired my grandmother's coin collection when she moved away. So you need to move the highlight box over the word acquire. I'm going to put over a different word just so I don't give you the answer. Finally, you need to circle the part of speech by moving this red circle over the part you want, whether you want noun, verb, adjective, or adverb. So, just to recap what each of the parts of speech are. First, a noun is a person, place, or thing. A verb is an action word. An adjective is a word that describes a noun, and an adverb is a word that describes a verb. Next, you need to define the word. So, let's read the model sentence. I had to read 30 books to acquire the knowledge I needed to write my report on the Middle Ages. So I would suggest you change the word acquire to a blank in your head. I had to read 30 books to blank the knowledge I needed to write my report. So what other word could fit in the blank? And you can write that down here. Where it says type here, you can edit it. Visualize, it says, draw a picture or symbol to show what this word means. So you're going to click insert. Insert is on the top here. And you are going to add an image. You can see here, if you have an image already on your computer or your phone, you can do it. You can also search the web. Okay. On slide 4, we need to come up with synonyms and antonyms of the word acquire. So, a synonym is a word with the same meaning. For example, short and little are synonyms, but antonyms are words with the opposite meaning. So, the word short and tall are antonyms. You can click on the Thesaurus website to help you get synonyms and antonyms. Once you click on the hyperlink, you can go ahead and click on the link to open the website. You will then need to type 3 synonyms and 3 antonyms. Just remember to click next to the blue numbers 1, 2, and 3. Next, slide 5 says, write sentences that use this week's word. Be sure that someone could figure out what the word means just by using the clues in your sentences. Look at the model sentences from slide 2 and 3 to help. Finally, your assessment, you need to drag the check mark to show us how well you know the word now. You need to answer a multiple choice question by dragging the circle, and you need to type in the blue